Okay, here we will see the properties of radicals. If you say that a and b are real numbers, variables or algebraic expressions such that the indicated roots are real numbers, and let m and n be positive integers. So, here the first property that you have is n the root of a to the power of m equals to n the root of a to the whole power of n. For example, if you have cube root of 8 squared, this can be cube root of 8 the whole squared, and cube root of 8 is 2, so 2 squared will give you 4. Second example, let's say that you have square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 7. You can put both 5 and 7 under the same root and multiply them. It will be square root of 35. The third property is if you have n the root of a over n the root of b, you can make it a over b the whole root of n, but b is not supposed to be 0 here. Let's have an example. Let's say 4 the root of 27 divided by 4 the root of 9. So you can put 4 the root 27 over 9. If you divide it, it will be 4 the root of 3. Okay, these are the first 3 examples. Let's see more examples, more properties and examples are made. Okay, the fourth one is m the root of n the root of a. You can multiply both of the roots here, m times n. Let's say that you have cube root of square root of 10. Here you can multiply the 2 with the 3 and it will be 6th root of 10. Okay, the fifth example, n the root of a to the power of n will equal to just a, because this power will cancel this root. For example, let's say that you have square root of 3 squared. So these two squares and the square and the radical will cancel each other, and the final answer will be just 3. Okay, here you have 2 cases in the sixth property. If n is an even number or if n is an odd number. In case n is here an even number, it will be the absolute value of a. For example, let's say that you have negative 12 square root of negative 12 the whole squared. Here the answer will be this will cancel each other, and you'll have an absolute value of negative 12, which will give you just 12. So here this n is an even number. But in case if this n is odd number, negative 12 the whole cubed, okay, here this cube will cancel this cube root, and the answer will be negative 12. So here whatever the sign will go out. If it is negative, the negative will go out, and in case if it's positive, also the positive will go out. So we'll have more examples on this in the next slides.